Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to go premium on the Endel application, thereby being able to unlock premium features and additional functions on the application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the settings icon that you can find in the upper right corner of the screen. Now tap on the subscribe button, which is the first option. As you can see, this page is dedicated to purchasing the premium packs. So if you scroll down, you can see that you can select from three options: the yearly, monthly, or lifetime subscriptions. If you want to purchase any of these, you just simply have to tap on the relevant one and then press the button subscribe now down below. So then you will be able to unlock a vast variety of features on the application and to select from a bunch of sessions that are only available to premium users. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.